Hi, I am Ramesh, Director of Quickduct Filtration Pvt. I've been in the anti-pollution industry for more than 15 years and a part of many installations across India and SAARC countries. And when we came across industries and installations, we have noticed that only the machineries are being modernized and upgraded, and the accessories like ducting, connecting the machines are still old-fashioned. Therefore, we wanted to provide modern ducting solution that are contemporary to the European standards. This gave us the idea of starting ducting and accessories manufacturing in India. Conventionally in India, the ductings are made out of painted or powder coated mild steel that adds to the pollution. Being in the anti-pollution industry, we aimed for manufacturing of ducting which is free of pollution. Our manufacturing process does not involve welding, painting or powder coating. When it comes to the material, we use galvanized iron, which is more sustainable, attractive and durable compared to conventional ducting. The duration of manufacturing and installation of our ducting is far less compared to conventional ducting. It is time to modernize your industrial setup. Come, join hands with Quickduct Filtration in shaping the future of industrial ventilation.